Hey guys, my name is Jeremy with thewarriorsolution.com. In this video, we're taking a look at a couple of really cool accessories to upgrade your pistols from Bastion Gear. These are both CNC machined out of T6 aluminum and hard anodized, and they are also laser etched. With Old Glory. So these two aluminum pieces are going to be replacing the stock plastic magazine base plate, as well as my stock plastic slide back plate. I'm going to show you how to install them and how they look after. Let's get to it. Both of these parts are very easy to install. You do not need any special gunsmithing tools or any kind of thing like that at all. You can do it with literally a really small flathead screwdriver or even a ballpoint pen if you want to get really down to MacGyvering things. So step one is going to be make sure that your handgun is clear and empty. And it is empty. So the cool thing about these backplates, and any backplates in general, on most pistols anyway, you can actually change out your backplates without even taking the gun apart, which is super cool. So here is the Bastion Gear anodized aluminum backplate, and it is very nice. I mean, the lines and everything all solid, nicely done. Laser etching looks great. So that is going to be replacing my stock plastic backplate here. As far as the magazine base plate, same story. Super easy to install and equally very nicely machined. Nice clean lines, hard anodized. Nicely done, Bastion Gear. To install the magazine base plate, you're going to take your standard magazine. This one is one of the sort of extended magazines from Smith & Wesson with a sleeve that slides down to cover up the gap that would be there otherwise. This piece is 100% compatible with the Bastion Gear base plate, so no worries there. Just slide that out of your way if you have one, and then you'll see this small rectangular hole right here. And all you have to do is take a screwdriver, a punch, really anything would work. This is an ink refill for one of my Bastion Gear pens I've been trying to destroy. Those things are crazy strong, by the way, so no luck so far on destroying the pen, but the ink refill doesn't work anymore, so I'm going to use that as a tool. So get something small enough to fit in that space, push down on that little detent, and then slide the base plate forward in the same direction the bullets orient, like so. Now, before you slide this off, keep in mind that there is the spring in there, and if you slide it off without holding that spring tension, this spring will come flying out of there like a rocket.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Once you're here, just grab your Bastion base plate, and you're going to slide it on in exactly the same orientation as the one you just took off. So hold spring tension down. The Bastion plate is going to slide perfectly over that same spot and the same grooves as the factory plate. And there you can see it's on those rails. And then you simply slide it on until you hear a click, like so. And now it is installed. And then you can slide your factory extension down, and there you go. So this now has added a nice spot for my pinky finger to rest and basically be captured on the grip itself. So it creates a very nice feel on the gun. I don't feel like my pinky is going to fall off the bottom of the gun anymore. It doesn't do anything as far as adding rounds or anything like that. It's not a magazine extension per se. It's just an extension for your grip, for your hand, so your pinky has somewhere to go. So this metal plate is replacing this plastic piece. To install your slide backplate, you actually don't even need to take the gun apart. All you're going to do is lock the slide to the rear. If you don't know how to do that, check your owner's manual. In the case of this Smith & Wesson, it is this lever here. Just push it up towards the slide as you pull it back. And looking down into the slide, you'll see this white plastic tube in there. That is the firing pin spacer sleeve. And its job is to keep that firing pin nice and centered so it strikes correctly. And it is under spring tension that is pushing against the slide backplate here. So all you have to do to take that backplate off is depress that firing pin spacer sleeve. Once you depress that sleeve, you can slide your backplate right off, like so. Once you let this pressure off of that sleeve, it's not going to shoot out or anything. It's just a little bit of spring tension in there, and it interacts with this circular cutout here, you see. To install your new slide backplate, it's even easier than getting the old one off. All you have to do is depress that firing pin sleeve, and you can do it from the back like so. So all I'm doing is pushing down on that plastic sleeve and then sliding my new backplate into the grooves, pushing up, and now see the gap there? All I have to do is slide this forward and in, and when you hear it click, that's it. So now I have a customized look and feel for my concealed carry gun. The slide backplates from Bastion Gear are $14.99 for the design of your choice. And the magazine base plate extensions are also $14.99 as of the time of this recording. Obviously prices are subject to change, but you're looking at about $30 to replace two plastic pieces with two really nice high quality aluminum pieces that are customized with a laser engraving of your choice. This video was sponsored by Bastion Gear. They did send me these two accessories to try out and review for you guys for free. However, that does not influence my thoughts and final score, which is a 5 out of 5. The reason I give it a perfect score is because there's literally nothing I can find wrong with either of these two parts. The fit and finish is fantastic, the machining is perfect, the laser etching is perfect, ease of use, all good stuff. The magazine base plate especially is a really smart idea and definitely something to look into if you have large hands and you find yourself kind of falling off the bottom of your grip. This Bastion Gear magazine base plate extension is going to give you a nice lip or edge for your pinky to rest on and prevent that pinky from falling off into space. The backplate is not necessarily a performance enhancing modification. I mean, it is cool that it does replace a plastic piece with an aluminum piece, which is always nice. The major thing is just the customization factor. You know, there's so many different options from Bastion Gear for both the magazine base plate and the slide back plates. All kinds of different designs, including custom options if that's something you're into. All good stuff and really cool little accessories to personalize your guns. They do have these available for several different types and calibers of handguns. Just check out bastiongear.com, and odds are pretty good that they have your specific pistol slide backplate and magazine base plate extensions in stock and ready to ship. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to pick up some of these accessories for yourself, check out bastiongear.com and use the coupon code WARRIOR20 at checkout to save 20% off your order. Also check out thewarriorsolution.com for hats, hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, and written reviews of all of the products that I have tested so far. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.